Welcome to Nehru Institute of Health Science, where college meets compassion and future in healthcare are shaped. Our college provides BSc Cardiac Technology, BSc Dialysis Technology, BSc Radiography and Imaging Technology, BSc Physician Assistant, BSc Operation Theatre and Anesthesia Technology. Our college provides excellent learning environment, well-trained teachers, and state-of-the-art facilities. The faculty members are highly skilled and dedicated, ensuring that the best education and the practical experience to be expert in the healthcare field. Our college is equipped with modern labs and resources that gain us to allow hands-on experience, preparing us for the real-world challenges. Beyond academic, our college consecutively organizes an international and national level conferences, symposium, workshops, hands-on training in our field, providing us with the opportunity to engage with experts, network with peers from other institutions, and stay updated on the latest advancement in health science. We have established partnerships with 5 multi-specialty hospitals, each with a capacity of 100 beds. And we also operate our own multi-speciality facility, PK Das Hospital, located in Ottapalam, Kerala, which has a total of 1,200 beds. Join Nehru Institute of Health Sciences, where every step taken leads towards a healthier tomorrow.